I'm Scott with Marcs Mobility. Today we're unboxing the Pride Victory Platinum scooter, so stay tuned. This is the Victory Platinum scooter by Pride Mobility. If you have any questions or you're interested in this unit, there's going to be links in the description below. Go ahead and check those out or visit our website at marcsmobility.com, or you can always give us a call if you have any questions. When you get your scooter, it's going to be shipped on a pallet like this. We have our seat up top here, then our actual base of the scooter down here. So we're going to get to the seat later. There is different size seats you can get. I don't even know what size we ordered, but they'll all be in a separate box like this. So I'm going to go ahead and set this to the side. So now here's our unit. It's got some straps around it. We're going to go ahead and cut those with a knife. Remember to cut upwards, don't stab into your box. And now there's some tape holding the box shut. Looks like it's only in the center here, so I'm going to cut that, and then I'm going to lift it up so I don't cut into the unit. There is protective cardboard on top, but still just 2 layers, okay. Still don't cut into your unit. Okay, so the unit is mostly assembled. There's just some padding on top. I don't see anything loose beyond, they just have some cardboard protecting it. I'm just gonna remove that. It'll make it a little easier down the road to get it out of here. The only other thing I see is just the basket. I'm going to go ahead and take this plastic wrap off, and I'm going to take our basket out of the way. So this has our charger. This unit has specifically a magnetic charger. So it's in the red box like this. Pretty cool. We got our 2 mirrors and our owner's manual, which also has our keys and a little safety pin for the rear docking. So I'm going to set this to the side. And now we're going to get it out of the box. So what I recommend is grabbing your knife, and what we're going to do is we're going to cut the corners of the box. I did notice this one doesn't have any protective cardboard on the corners like some of the other units do. There's usually just like a little strip of cardboard in the center that stops you from stabbing into your unit. I don't see that here unless that's what these were. I think that could have been what these were. So maybe we could leave those in just to protect your unit, because when you're cutting the box, I don't want you cutting into your tire or hitting the unit. So maybe leave those in, or just check, be careful, make sure you're not going to cut into the scooter. But I'm going to cut these corners. And now you can see the box falls down, and I'm going to be able to freewheel it out of here. There is a neutral lever in the back. I'll show you in a video overlay what that looks like. But there's a neutral lever. You want to flip that into the unlock position. That allows your brakes to be disengaged. So you should be able to just roll it out. There is some cardboard it's kind of resting on up front. So maybe you could get someone to lift just a little bit and slide that out, because that is preventing it from rolling. There. Now, just like that, just rolls out. So now I'm going to take a moment to clean up all of this packing material, then we will get to the actual assembly of the scooter. Now I've got all of the packing material taken away, we're going to get to assembling the scooter. First thing I'm going to do is get the tiller up out of the way. There's a handle on the right hand side here. This is one of the platinum upgrades. This is the upgrade to the Victory scooter line. So this right here, you pull that in and it goes right up. You let go, and now the tiller is out of the way. Very easy. The other one had a knob you had to unscrew. So that's one of the upgrades that they added to this unit. Now, first of all, I'm going to make sure we put it back into the lock position. In neutral, the scooter will not drive. It'll beep at you because we're going to hook up the batteries next. So to get to the batteries, you have this colored shroud here. It's held in place by Velcro, and you just kind of pull it out There's just these little tabs and Velcro holding it in. And we have our batteries here. There's just 2 loose plugs, and they go into the ports in between the 2 batteries. They only go one way, so don't try to force them. You see there's black and white. Make sure it lines up with the plugs. It doesn't matter which one they go in. Now that they're done, we're going to put this back on. So I do the tabs first, then I push it down, and the Velcro holds it in place. And now, since we just did that, I'm going to go ahead and check the power before we stick the seat on, in case we have to do anything. We're going to stick the key in the ignition. Just make sure we have power. It's a lot easier to mess with the batteries without the seat on. I have power, and the unit drives. Good. Now we're going to get to mounting the seat. Here's our seat from earlier. We're going to go ahead and get our knife. Again, very carefully. We're going to cut the sides first. Then I'm going to lift up and cut the tape down the middle. Do not cut into your seat. So here's our seat. Ooh, there's our arms too. So our seat's right here. I'm going to go ahead and take this bottom wrapping off. And then this just goes into the post. Should just drop in pretty easily. It's also a lot easier to take on and off while it's still folded. It kind of gives you a place to hold your hand. There we go. And it should just drop right in once it's lined up. It's got a lock on it too, so you know it's all the way down when you try to turn the seat and it doesn't turn. I'll flip the back up. I kind of like that high back. It used to be kind of a lower back. So this is a good addition. In order to swivel the seat, there's a handle on the right side. You pick that up, and then it'll swivel. Should lock every 45 degrees. So you can transfer from the side and then swivel yourself forward. Very easy. Also in here, we have 2 arms. And that's actually it. There's no headrest on this. You really don't need one in these scooters. But I'm going to go ahead and turn this around, and I'll show you how to install the arms. So here's our arm. It's fully attached, unlike some of the other arms. I kind of like that design. It's not height adjustable, but it sits at a pretty comfortable height. So what we're going to do is going to slide in here. You see if it hits. You might have to loosen this a little bit. Keep going. It's going to hit this pin. We're going to take that out, and there is 4 adjustments. So I like to get it as close as I can because people are trying to get through doors. And this will increase the width of your scooter, so I get it as far in as I can. Then we'll just tighten this, that'll take the wobble out of it. Your arm is installed. We'll do the same to the other side. It also does come with a pin for your rear docking device. If you want to stick a basket or an oxygen holder, that's where it would go. You'd slide it in, and then you'd slide the pin through, and that's what holds it in place. So one of the newest features on this particular scooter is the charging mechanism. So I'm underneath the tiller right now. You can see this little rounded port. That is the charger. It's not the typical XLR that is on most every other scooter that is in production. This is a magnetic charger. It's in a red box, so other chargers won't work on this. But what's cool about it is you just line it up and it'll automatically connect. You see that little light come on that shows that you're charging. To unplug it, you just pull it away. So very easy. What's also cool is the magnet is actually in the tiller, not in the charger, so you're not going to get a bunch of metal dirt or anything stuck in here. So it just lines up and clicks in just like that. Now I'm going to show you how to install your mirrors. There is these 2 little rubber seals. You're going to pop those out. They'll just come out like that. Then you don't have to install the mirrors, or you can only do 1. They give you 2, so might as well. But this is threaded, and so is that. So you're going to just stick that in there and spin it. There's also this to tighten it. Let me go ahead and just start threading it. Might take a second to catch just so you get the right angle. Then I'm going to spin it a few times. And then I'm going to go ahead and tighten this once I get it threaded a few rounds, and you'll see it'll naturally, see how it's getting tight? So you just kind of have to line it up. Try to get it tight where you want it. There we go. So it's tight here. It's kind of where I want it. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Now that everything is assembled and ready to go, last thing we're going to do is install our basket. There's just two brackets here that slide right here. Then this little latch holds it in place. We're going to just line those two up. You'll hear it click in place. Your basket is installed. If you ever have to take the basket off, you'll just push this tab out of the way and it'll slide up and out of the way. There's a little handle here as well for the basket. So it just slides on like that. So this has been the unboxing and assembly of the Victory Platinum scooter by Marcs Mobility. I really like this design. Lots of really cool features that they added to make it just a step above the original Victory line. The magnetic charger, you got the zero turn technology. You can see these front wheels turn at almost 180 degrees. So you get the turning radius of a 3-wheel scooter and the stability of a 4-wheel scooter. So like I said, the magnetic charger, they added suspension to this unit. You get all your mirrors, new color, new sleek design. It's a really cool unit. I'm very impressed with it. I think it's going to be really popular on the market. If you're interested in this, we have links in the description below that'll take you to our website, or you can just visit marcsmobility.com or just give us a call. We'd love to help you out and see which scooter or power chair fits your needs the best. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Marc.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marcs Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.